Mandela Award is an initiative to recognize and celebrate those establishments who excel in contributing towards the growth of the tourism. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate all the finalists and wish you all the best as we wait in anticipating to hear the announcement of the winners. Hlalani elembeni kumnandi, I welcome you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2019 celebrates 25 years of democracy as a country. Without doubt, the history of South Africa has defined and definitely shaped the tourism industry. It's important for us to cast our eyes forward and also to make sure that we continue to drive to transform this sector inclusively so that we can showcase many, many more authentic and truly immersive South African experiences.